Thank you once again, Barrister Nnaemeka Ejiofor.
Thank you.
So this is one of our legal luminaries for IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, so Barrister, please, in summary, what transpired today in court?
Well, thank you very much. What happened today in court was the bail application we filed was moved. We urged His Lordship to release Nnamdi Kanu as directed by the Supreme Court. And we also, in the course of moving the application, urged my Lord to be guided and persuaded by the judgments of other high courts, especially the High Court in Umuahia and the High Courts at Enugu, where the issues of his leaving Nigeria was adequately canvassed and discussed. And we know that in those courts, the courts held that Nnamdi did not jump bail, but rather was chased away from Nigeria by the Nigerian armed forces when they went to terminate his life in his house in Afaru. The prosecution, on the other hand, challenged the issue of bail, claiming that he jumped bail, but obviously the Supreme Court had taken care of that. The Supreme Court said in their judgment of December 15, 2023, that Nnamdi did not jump bail, but rather had to escape for the safety of his life and well-being, and that nobody should have revoked his bail in the first place, you know. So we thank God that today we were able to move that application. We were actually hoping also that we were going to have a ruling today, but eventually His Lordship was the opinion that bail, that they really had to wait until the 19th of March 2024, by which time she would have made up her mind whether to grant bail or not, or the conditions to attack the bail if granted. We're also looking forward to the hearing. Yes, she had directed the prosecution to file their witness statement on oath from the witnesses they have, and serve on us timeously so that we can prepare for our defense and cross-examination. So we're looking forward to a robust 19th of March, you know, when they will present whatever witness they have, and then we can also challenge those witnesses with our questions to determine the veracity or otherwise of what they are going to say. So that is precisely what happened today and what we expect to happen in the nearest future between today and the 19th of March 2024.
Okay, thank you very much. Please,
My name is Nnamdi Ejiofor.
please, Barrister, the public has been in the know regarding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S health issue.
Yes.
So a simple question, and I believe the public also wants to, to know the updates. How is Nnamdi Kanu health-wise?
Well, from the medical reports made available to us, which we filed in court, his health is not too wonderful. He needs proper medical attention, and it's obvious that in the DSS facility where he's detained, there is no, they do not have the capacity or the enough facility to handle the situation, his health condition. You can imagine a situation where samples of his blood have been taken over 25 times, and yet there is no cure in sight. So we have also brought in an independent medical practitioner who also examined him and had come up with a conclusion that the situation he's having right now can lead to heart failure. And we know that DSS may not be able to have the facility to treat such conditions. You might even find it difficult to have it in the State House. You remember in the State House some time ago, the former First Lady said that they don't even have syringes. That is the clinic of the president.
Paracetamol.
They don't have paracetamol, they don't have syringes. So you can imagine them bringing an issue of heart before such facility. So we do not think they have the facility to take care of him health-wise, otherwise they would have done it. We also believe they do not have the facility to even manage him. Such death can come gradually. It can come gradually, and that is what I think we're experiencing, okay? But we are looking forward to a situation where this court can grant bail, then he can look for a good medical hospital that will handle his health condition and treat him, not just manage him, but treat him.